how to make chicken tikka biryani. Hello everybody, welcome to Ishan's Kitchen. Today we're gonna be teaching you how to make chicken tikka biryani. Let's get started. I'm going to shallow fry the chicken. Add the onions to the pan. I am so thirsty. Now I'm gonna add the chicken. Mix it well until all combined. Now let's start making the rice. I have taken 2 cups of rice. Now I'm gonna add the rice on top of the chicken. Now I'm gonna finish it off with raisins and cashew nuts. My chicken tikka biryani is ready. You like the look of it? It's so yummy. I had this thing so many times that it's so yum. Subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram. If you like this video, leave a like. Bye, or we'll see you in the next video.